Do you think you can say that with us? Should we all try it together? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hi, Mom! Hi, Dad! Oh, that wasn't very loud enough, was it, girls? Boys and girls, can you try that again? Really, really loud this time. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hi, Mom! Hi, Dad! Oh, that was better. Fire. Woo! Oh, wow, that is good. I do think it's missing something, though. What do you think, girls? I think we need a noise when we do that. Can everyone say hi to my friend Danny? Hi, Danny! Danny, do you want to show us the noise that you'd like to do? Oh, yeah! Oh, give her a clap. That was really good. Do you guys think you can be as loud as Danny? Are you sure? Yeah. Should we try it? Yeah. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yeah! Oh, I think they were louder than you, Danny. Good job! And then we go all the way back to the scoops again. So we do that 2 times. Do you think we can try that? I think so. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoop! 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 Hi, Mom! Hi, Dad! Oh, yeah! Scoop! 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 Hi, Mom! Hi, Dad! Oh, yeah! Nice one! Give yourself a clap! Really good. Do you guys want to try with the music? From the very, very beginning? Okay. Does anyone remember what we have to say to the DJ? Anyone remember? You do. Do you want to say it? Ready? 3, 2, ready? Big clap! So I'll give a hoop what you do, say, girl. You don't let you play. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K.